ऐसी लागी लगन मीरा हो गई मगन, ऐसी लागी लगन मीरा हो गई मगन। वो तो गली 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 हरी गुन गाने लगी।
Hi friends, myself is Nirmal Ghosh here today to discuss a very special topic today. Actually, many people requested me, many persons requested me to make a video regarding spirituality because they told me that they have not a clear conception. They have not a clear conception about spirituality. Many people think that spirituality means religion, spirituality means customs, spirituality means worship, and so many things they think. But friends, all these things are not real fact. All these things are really not concerned with spirituality. Now the question is, what is spirituality? What is spirituality, friend? Can you thought a little bit about it in your day-to-day busy life? You have you are earning money. You have a lot of high degree, or if you you have extreme qualification. But friends, just keep your hand on your heart and just tell the truth. Do you really know yourself? Do you really know yourself? Do you know really who you are? Are you a father? Are you a boss? Are you a son of some parents? Or are you a citizen of a country? Or are you a citizen, global citizen? Friends, you are not at all these things. You have learned to identify yourself with these things. It has been learned through society, through your school, through your university, and many other things where you have learned how to live in practical life, isn't it? Practical life. Friends, I will discuss what is spirituality, and you are thinking that I am talking too much. But friends, before understanding spirituality, you have to know the background of spirituality. This is why I am taking this time to clear the matter. Friends, you are not really a father or a son or a citizen of a country or nothing else. You are completely different person, friend. You are completely different person. Spirituality means, friend, listen to me very carefully. I am just telling the basic things. I am not discussing here the matter very elaborately because I will not make this video long. I am just telling the basic things of spirituality. Friends, spirituality means to know yourself. Spirituality means to know your inner self. Spirituality means to know your inner strength. Spirituality means to know that you are the part and parcel of this universe. Spirituality means you are not your physical body, but you are beyond this physical body. You have a metaphysical body. You have a metaphysical body. Friends, to know this is spirituality. Spirituality means self-awareness. Spirituality means self-awareness. Spirituality means self-consciousness. And spirituality means to discover a nice person within you. And if you can discover this, there are various methods, various techniques today. Previously they have to go to Gurukul, but now today there are a lot of techniques to know yourself. So if you can discover yourself through spirituality, through spiritual conception, through spiritual thinking, then you will see, you will be amazed that you will be free from all disease, whether it is mental or physical. You will be healed naturally. Actually, everybody forgets about the natural healing. They know about the name of lots of medicine, and they think that I am so knowledgeable person I am, because I know the names of medicine. I know what medicine I will take if I fall in fever. What medicine I will take if my pressure rises high. What medicine I should take if my sugar rises high. What medicine should I take if there is a blockage in the heart? What medicine should I take if there is a dysentery? But friends, they do not know that they do not need these medicines. When you need the medicine, when your physical body will be impaired, isn't it? Yes, friends. Perhaps those who have not perceived these things will not believe me. But just try these things. Just enter into the ocean of spirituality. You will feel within yourself immense happiness, joy, pleasure. Friend, immense happiness, joy and pleasure. There will be natural healing. You do not need to take any type of medicine, friends. Yes, I am telling it very firmly, very strongly that you do not need to take any medicine. No doctors will tell you these things. Because why? Because then the business of medicine will be at stake. Then the future of the business of medicine will be at stake. The profession of doctorship, the profession of the doctors will be at stake. So those things will never tell you by almost all the doctors, but there are some doctors who always share the truth, just like Devi Shetty. Just like the famous Dr. Devi Shetty, the #1 heart surgeon of the world. He will tell you these things because he also strongly believes it. He tried to tell this natural healing matter to his patients also when he was sharing a session with the great spiritual leader Sadhguru. He was telling that, respected Sadhguru, I want to convince people that you do not need heart surgery. You just focus on yourself, you just meditate, and you just, I just told him, tell him the techniques of pranayama, yoga, etc. But they do not hear me. They just request me, they just fall on his legs. Just Dr. Devi Shetty is saying that the patients fall on his legs and request him, no doctor, I will not survive. Please do the surgery. Please do the surgery. This is the real fact. Because the marketing of the medical science has been so imposed, so inserted into your heads by the marketing, by the intelligent marketing, that you just forget your inner power, inner strength, inner healingness, friends. And you are completely dependent on medicine, outer world. You are completely dependent on outer world, rather depending on your within your inner self. You are completely forget who you are. You are just identifying yourself. You are a person, you are a father, you are an office employee, you are a boss, you are etc. But you never recognized you that you are a part of the universe. You have the all power within yourself. You are not a drop in the ocean. The entire ocean is within you. The entire ocean is within a drop. You are not a drop in the ocean. You are an ocean in a drop. Friends, you do not understand this. You do not have the time. You have the time to gossip. You have the time to go to cinema hall. You have the time to go to the malls. You have the time to do some the business work. You have the time to do some other irrelevant work. But you do not have the time to do some important work, that is to know yourself. And friends, I am not discussing here religious matters. Spirituality is not a religion. In every religion it is said that spirituality is to know yourself. Spirituality is your self-awareness. Spirituality is to know the different powers which exist within yourself. Friends, in Muslim religion, there are 99 names of Allah. That means the 99 characteristics of you. That means the 99 characteristics of you. In Hindu religion, there are 1,000 names of Vishnu. That means the 1,000 characteristics, special characteristics of you. The 1,000 special powers which exist within you. Please read this book. Friends, know yourself. Know yourself, friends. This is the best science. We know what is the elements in water, what is the elements in a drop of water. Everybody knows, there is H2O, the chemical thing, this is dung. Everybody will say that how to kill a frog, to know his inner history. But this is called the science of biology, and by doing this you got lots of marks in examination, but you do not never entered into your inner world. You kill the frog to know something about the biology which everybody knows already, and that little knowledge you have gathered from killing that frog will not serve your purpose in life. It will not reduce your pain or sorrow, your dissatisfaction. To reduce your dissatisfaction, to get immense pleasure, you have to know yourself. You have to know your inner self, friend. You have to understand your inner self, and then you will discover a nice person within you, and then you will go to a completion of your life, fulfillment of your life. Fulfillment of your life does not certified by how much matters you have, whether you have a car, whether you have a big house, whether you have lots of money. This does not be identified by your true self. Your true self is not identified by those materialistic things, friends. And these materialistic things may give you temporary happiness, but it will never give you the permanent happiness, because the nature of matter is you will consume the matter, and then the next demand for another matter will rise in your mind. And it is the nature of materialistic world. It is the nature of your mind. So you have to create a gap between your mind and within your true self. Your true self is not your mind. It is your universal power. It is metaphysical body. You have to understand this. You have to read lots of books. You have to take trainings, because in this internet era, you have a lot of capacity, friend. You have a lot of capacity to know yourself. If you want, if you have passion. So the intention to create this video, friends, is to make you understand about what is spirituality, and to evoke, to ignite the fire of eagerness within your world, to know about spirituality, to create the eagerness within you to know about spirituality. And if that eagerness really ignited within you, really evoked within you, then the creation of this video will be successful for me. Friends, spirituality is the ultimate. Just remember it. If you do not understand it till now, that means you have a lack of vacuum within you, and that vacuum will be filled by the spiritual power. You think that matter is your identity. How many cars you have, how much money in your bank account, or how many social recognition you have. Yes, those are important, but those are not the ultimate. Because all these things cannot give you the ultimate happiness. Only to know yourself, only to know your inner self, only to know who you really are. You are not a father of or a mother or a office boss or a leader or some great player. These are not you. You are completely different. Do yoga, pranayama, meditation, and hear the subtle sound of universe, which is sounding also within your inner side. So, friends, I will not make this video long. I will end this video very soon. And before ending this video, I will request you, friends, please study the spiritual books. Please grow interest in spirituality, practice it, and fulfill your life. Give your life a beautiful completion, not a piecemeal completion. You will run through your life till the end of a life for your happiness, joy, but you will never get those happiness, joy through this materialistic world. Only you will get it through spiritual world by knowing your inner self. So friend, I will not make this video long. I think that I have made some sense about spirituality, what is spirituality within your mind. And if you have, if there is a little bit of eagerness generated within you all, then the purpose of creating this video will be fulfilled for me. And friend, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Nirmal Lowe's Dream World. Till then, goodbye friends, stay healthy, stay positive, and be spiritual always. Bye bye friend.